Welcome to the finale of our Morocco walking tour. For our final leg, we've traveled north to Fes, the spiritual and cultural soul of the kingdom. Our walk begins at Bab Boujalud, the famous blue gate that leads into the world's largest medieval Medina. With over 9,000 narrow alleys, this car-free labyrinth is a living museum where history is felt in every step. As we lose ourselves in the depths of Fes, we have one final reminder for you. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Essaouira Tannery is the city's most iconic site, where leather is still dyed using medieval techniques passed down through generations. Nearby, the 7 golden doors of the royal palace stand as a testament to the city's imperial grandeur and craftsmanship. Fes is also home to Al-Qarawiyyin, the world's oldest continuously operating university, founded in the 9th century. It is a city of profound spirituality, where the call to prayer echoes through the ancient stone corridors. The architecture here is vertical and dense, hiding stunning courtyards behind humble, unadorned walls. But the intensity of the Medina is about to give way to something entirely different as we head to the coast. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. We're traveling west now, toward the breezy Atlantic port of Essaouira, the wind city of Morocco. The contrast is immediate. The air is cool, the streets are wide, and the pace of life is wonderfully relaxed. The port is the heart of the city, filled with iconic blue boats and the daily auction of the Atlantic's freshest catch. Walking along the Scala de la Ville, you're surrounded by 18th century cannons and the constant roar of the ocean. Essaouira is famous for its thuya woodworking, a local craft that fills the Medina with a distinct peppery scent. This is also the soul of Nawa music, a spiritual rhythm that flows through the city like the trade winds. The alleyways winds make this a haven for water sports and a sanctuary for those seeking a bohemian retreat. As our journey across Morocco comes to its end, the setting sun over the Atlantic provides the perfect finale. From the blue peaks of the north to the golden dunes of the south, we've walked through a land of endless wonder. We've explored imperial cities, ancient villages, and met the kindest people along the way. Morocco is not just a destination, it's an experience that changes how you see the world. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part walking tour. We hope you've enjoyed every step. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Until next time.